Okay, number 8 says solve negative 2x plus 6 equals negative 2. So it's a two-step equation. Now the description we'll get to why it is what it is here in a second. But again, with the two-step equation, we're asking ourselves 5 questions. First one is it an equation? Well, yes, it's an equation. It's got an equal sign. Which side is the variable on? Again, I mean which side is the letter on? Well, here's the letter. Is the variable by itself? In other words, is the x the only thing on one side of the equal sign? Well, in this case, it's not because it's got a negative 2 and a plus 6. So, what is the opposite operation? Well, we want to get rid of the addition or subtraction on the side of the variable. So the opposite of plus 6 is minus 6. So I'm going to minus 6 from both sides. And again, anything I do to both sides goes in the description. So that's why the first part of the description is subtract 6 from both sides. So I bring down the negative 2x. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Now again, you can go right back to it. It's an equation. The variable's on the left-hand side. It's not by itself because the negative 2, well, how do I get rid of the negative 2? This means negative 2 times x. So the opposite would be to divide both sides by negative 2. And then negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. Now on a side note, you can always go back and plug this in to check it. I don't make you do it on a test, but if I wanted to, I could check and see if this worked out and put negative 2, put in 2 for x, plus 6 equals 2, and then negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, plus 6 equals 2, and it does, because negative 4 plus 6 is 2, so 2 equals 2, so it works out. Again, this is just the problem that I require, but it wouldn't be a bad idea to at least check it in a calculator when you get done.